Hello, I am Dr. Debashish Chandra from CK Birla Hospital, Gurgaon. I am the orthopedic and joint replacement specialist in this hospital. So today's topic is what all preparation we should do before we go for knee replacement. There are two parts to this video. First, we will talk during the waiting period when we are planning or thinking or doctor has advised knee replacement, what all activities should we do. So number one, we have to understand that knee replacement surgery is never an emergency surgery. It is a complete elective procedure. So elective का मतलब है it is never that we have to hurriedly go for a surgery and we should not think about it. Yes, sometimes it may be a emergency surgery. Say patient was having arthritis, but suddenly there is a fracture in the bone, then we may have to treat both of them together. But these are not ideal conditions. Most of the time, 99.9% times, it is an elective procedure. So what all activities we should know? The first thing is, whenever the doctor tells you that now you need a knee replacement, we should know about what is knee replacement. It is like preparing for an exam. When we go to deliver or anywhere we want to prepare for an exam, we do a lot of studies. So you have to study or you have to know about knee replacement. What is this surgery? So we usually in CK Birla Hospital, we give a full PowerPoint demonstration where we explain all the steps which are going to be a part of knee replacement for the patient. Secondly, we explain what is this procedure, what are the steps we are going to do, how we do knee replacement, what are the implants we use, and what is the recovery thing is going to happen. So this is sort of education. So you have to understand what we are going to do. So educating yourself, reading about knee replacement, seeing some videos of knee replacement on YouTube or some of our videos. So you'll educate yourself. After this, second is you should go and talk to some of the patients who have recently got knee replacement done, or maybe remotely, say 2 years or 10 years back they have done the knee replacement. So you should ask them what are the problems they have faced, what are the pluses and minuses. So you should have a list of things. Now some of the patients will definitely say a lot good about knee replacement, but few of them will definitely say bad about knee replacement. Please do not get biased with their advices. Ask them why they feel this is very good, and if they are not happy, why they are not happy. So write down, get out all the points one by one, likh lo sabko, and go and ask your doctor. See, I have these questions. Now after reading also, I think these are the genuine problems the patient faces. Explain me what are the things are going to happen, or if something this sort of happens, some bad thing happens, what are my odds, or how am I going to cope up with this. So education and knowing about the things and asking the doctor again and again till you are 100% sure that I should go for knee replacement. So it may take a month's time, or it may take even more than a year time. You should take full time before even thinking about knee replacement. Okay, this is not a surgery where we do immediate, आज सोचा और कल करवा लिया, ऐसा नहीं है, ठीक है. You should be committed about it. Next is we have to do a lot of other activities as well. Number 2 is training our muscles. After education is exercises, it is always better to go for exercises before the knee replacement surgery. Even if your knee is completely painful, it is completely say inflamed, or you are not able to do your range of movement, that means you are not able to move it, bend it properly, then also some of the exercises are helpful, like ankle toe pump, VMO, pressing it down. Okay, so the exercises are very important because they will make your muscles very supple, soft. They will make your joints, the other joints, workable. Secondly, gait training, walking is very important. Okay, how to walk before the surgery and even after the surgery. Thirdly, the bones, we have to understand that we have to maintain the quality of bone. Bone quality will be improved if we keep on walking even before the surgery. Many of the time what happens is patients they stop doing all the activities. When they feel pain, they usually don't go for walks. So what is going to happen? The bones are going to get more weak. So to make them completely fit or strong, we have to keep walking and doing exercise. This makes the bones strong. So osteoporosis, somebody who is suffering from osteoporosis is going to get relieved with exercises. Secondly, even those who are planning for surgery, their bones will be very strong before the surgery. So please do not stop walking or exercises. Number 3, we have to understand that after surgery as well, we need some sort of physiotherapy exercises. So beforehand, trying and starting these things will help you faster rehabilitate in the post-operative period after the surgery. So you have to understand these are the very important thing, physiotherapy. So if you are planning, then start the physiotherapy beforehand. Somebody asked me what is the ideal duration. I will suggest at least 15 days to a month of physiotherapy before surgery is definitely is going to help you out. Next, what are the vitamins, supplements we should take before the surgery? I think vitamin D and B12, improving those before the surgery is it's a good idea to get them improved. So vitamin D and B12 supplement you should take if you are planning for a surgery. Even without a surgery also, somebody who is more than 60 should think about the supplements as well. Many times patient asks which is the best season to get the surgery done. My advice is whenever you feel you are ready with everything, your education is complete, you have learned what is knee replacement, you have had a chat with tens and 15s of 20s of patients regarding knee replacement, you have asked all your questions, you are doing your regular exercises, now you are ready for surgery, there is no period which is best. This is a myth that we can't get the surgery done during summers or during the rainy season. This is a complete myth. Winter season is also a right time when you can get your knee replacement done. Only thing is that when you are planning your surgery, you should have at least 6 weeks of time in your hand. You should not plan your travels beforehand. 6 हफ्ते से पहले कोई प्लानिंग कहीं नहीं जाने की ट्रैवलिंग की मत करो. At least you should have 6 weeks of time in your hand. Apart from it, it is always good that you should get your parts clean. जैसे pedicure, manicure ये सब कर सकते हैं जिससे कि नी के जो fingers में जो dirt लगी रहती है that can be removed before surgery, and it should be done at least 15 to 20 days prior to the surgery. Secondly, some of the activities you should ask from the doctor that what are the bedside training should I start beforehand. Like after both the knee replacements, immediately what happens, the patient has little bit difficulty in walking with a walker. So we train ourselves how to walk with a walker with both the knee replacement done. Secondly, how to use a commode chair, how to take turns in the bed. Okay, so these are the things which your physiotherapist will explain you beforehand. So if we are ready with all these things, I think this is the right time to get the surgery done. But definitely yes, the main dictum is whenever you are ready, then get the knee replacement done. It is not an emergency surgery. You should not think कि कल सर्जरी नहीं कराए तो ठीक नहीं होगा, ऐसा नहीं होता है, ठीक है. So with this, I think there might be many questions for you. दिमाग में आता है बहुत सारे questions. Please feel free to ask all your queries. We are here in CK Birla Hospital to answer all your queries. So and we are completely a friendly department in CK Birla. किसी भी डॉक्टर से पूछोगे ऑर्थोपेडिक्स वाले, they will feel proud to explain our patient that yes, we train our patient very well so that they don't feel any problem during their recovery. So next part of this video will be what all activities we should go do after the knee replacement. Thank you.